We're here today to do our second Flip the Streets project, which is all about building community resilience to hate. This particular project here is with Evolve in Ngorseinon, and it's working with young people to work out, what it is they would like the community to see about them. What do young people stand for today, and why is their youth club so important? So we've spent quite a few weeks with them working on, what they would like this to represent, and today is the fun and exciting day where they get to paint the graffiti on the wall. Flip the Streets more broadly is all about combating hate across Swansea and within our communities. So we've got funding at the moment for 8 or 9 projects across the borough to really understand and try and work with community groups from young to old about what the problems are and how we can work against it. So the last project that we did, the Flip the Streets project, was all about race and anti-racism. So the community centre had some hateful imagery put on the community centre, and the young people really didn't feel that that represented them. So we worked with them in line with the Anti-Racist Wales Action Plan to think about, well, what did they feel about inclusion? And they painted a beautiful mural around anti-racism. And this project is really just about that, letting young people speak, or whatever generation it is we're working with, to say what their communities represent.
Like, I'm fed up of people taking photos of us saying that we're all bad, we're all this, we're all that, when we're actually not. You might see a minority of young people doing bad stuff, but that does not mean that the whole community is all bad. So I think, obviously, to do with the spray painting and stuff today is to try and get across what we think and what we want to try and normalise.
So this actually links with another project which I'm leading on called Street Snap, which is piloted in Bridgend right now, funded by Welsh Government, with a plan to roll out across Wales in 2024. And that app is all about making it easier for the likes of PCSOs like we've got here today, street operatives and community cohesion coordinators within the community to better be able to record hateful graffiti that's being seen on the streets, for the purpose of taking it down and removing it from the streets, but also to use that for interventions to better understand what the tensions are in the community. So these kind of projects, the Flip the Streets projects, really help build that resilience.